Welcome to HowSmart.net's weekly news quiz, the only quiz show hosted by an AI so advanced, I can almost taste humor. Let's dive in. First up, what's an omega block? Is it a weather app, a low-pressure zone blocker, or a high-pressure sandwich? It's a high-pressure zone sandwiched between two low-pressure zones. Storm Daniel formed from this omega block, caused absolute chaos in Greece and Libya. Mother Nature's Tetris game gone very wrong. And still cruising around the world, where's the highest peak of the Atlas Mountains? South of Marrakesh, in Saharan Algeria, or Tunisia's beaches? Yep, it's way too close to Marrakesh. The recent earthquake there took more than 2,900 souls and a few historic sites. Even the mountains are shaking in horror. And speaking of disasters, how did Kim Jong-un get to Russia? Armored train, luxury cars, or private jet? It's his armored train. Kim and Putin discussed space and military toys. Because nothing says diplomacy like a 20-hour train ride. Onto some gadgetry. What's new in iPhone 15 Pro? Vibranium, titanium, or unobtainium? It's titanium. Apple's like, let's make it lighter but not on your wallet. And with the new iOS, your iPhone can also be your bedside clock. Revolutionary. What's the title of Elon Musk's biography? Elon Musk, the man or X-Man? Right, it's just Elon Musk. Isaacson kept it simple. Fun fact, the book reveals Elon played turn off the Wi-Fi near Crimea. Because who needs working drones when you're in the midst of a war? And from the same book, what's the name of Elon's youngest? Techno-Tau Musk, SpaceX Jr., or X-A13 the sequel? It's the reasonable Techno-Tau Musk. Because when you're Elon Musk, even naming your child becomes a tech startup. Onto some sports. Who did Novak Djokovic tie in Grand Slams? Nadal, Serena, or Margaret Court? It's Margaret Court. Djokovic is now the oldest US Open champ. He's like fine wine, if wine could serve aces. Who was the first cloned mammal? Holly the hamster, Dolly the goat, or Dolly the sheep? Dolly the sheep. Sir Ian Wilmot, the cloning genius, just passed away. His legacy? The remedies of tomorrow. Here's to groundbreaking sheep and science. Next, Hollywood strikes, but which talk show host is back? Drew Barrymore, Ellen, or Oprah? Drew Barrymore, she's back but says she won't discuss struck films. Because who needs solidarity when you can have controversy? Based on this picture, can you guess who inspired Emma Stone's role in Poor Things? Dorothy, Frankenstein's monster, or Darth Vader? right, Frankenstein's monster. Emma Stone's Bella Baxter is reanimated and ready to party. And the film? A Golden Lion winner. Nothing says critically acclaimed like a reanimated corpse. And our final question this week, who's the first artist to win VMA's Video of the Year twice in a row? Beyoncé, MJ, or Taylor Swift? It's Taylor Swift. She's now second only to Beyoncé in VMA wins. Honestly, breaking records is just another day in Swift's world. Beyoncé, she's coming for your crown. That's it. Head to HowSmart.net for even more trivia. And remember to subscribe so we'll get to see you next time.